This is not magic. This is a small science experiment. Put a few magnets under the batteries. Put a copper coil on top. This is the secret of wheel rotation. Take an empty mineral water bottle. Poke a few small holes with a nail. Fill it with water. You'll have a miniature fountain. Pour the orange juice into a Ziploc bag. Then put it in a bigger bag. Fill it with ice cubes. Pour in some salt. Wrap it in a towel for 10 minutes. You'll have a delicious orange juice ice cream. Put the frozen grapes in the ice water. The water will freeze around the little grapes. It's as if it has magical powers. Can you stand an egg on its feet? Easy. Just put a few grains of salt on the table. The egg will stand up. Break 5 toothpicks in the middle. Arrange them as shown in the video. Drop water in the middle. The toothpicks magically turn into a pentagram pattern. Lay a napkin on the glass. Pour some water on top. Put a burning candlestick. Shine the glass on it. You will be able to feel the power of atmospheric pressure. Wrap the copper wire around the screw. Connect the battery at both ends. You'll have a homemade magnet. Did you learn it? Click on the avatar to learn more small experiments.